Let us now proceed to the continuation of mathematics. Number 21. Okay, so this is specialization. Alright, the thousandth digit of the number 1, 2, 3, 4.5678 is letter C. No, letter B. Okay, that is 7. Why? Okay, in the decimal place in here, the first one or the first digit is tenths already. So that is not ones, that is tenths. So as you move to the right, tens, hundreds, and thousands. So the thousandth digit is number 7. Okay, and that is letter B. Next, number 2. Julius has 15,000 in the bank. After a year, he expects it to earn 750 peso. What is the rate of interest? Okay, so in here you need to know the formula of interest. Alright, so let us see. The correct answer is 5%. Why 5%? Okay, so this is a simple interest formula. We have I equals P times R times T. Alright, so principal times the rate times time. So 15,000, you are given also the interest rate, right? No, the interest 750, and then the time also. So we need to find the rate. So when you put the R or the rate on the left side, it will become 750 divided by 15,000. Okay, which is 0.05, or in percentage, that is 5%. So you just need to move to the left 2 times. Next, the greatest common divisor of 91, 39, and 17. What do you think? Okay, the greatest common divisor. So what is the greatest number that can divide to 91, 39, and 17? That is 13. Okay, so of course we all know 24, 39, that is not divisible for that can't divide to 91, 39, or 17. Okay, so this is the solution, right? 7 times 13, that is 91. 3 times 13, that is 39, and 2 times 3 times 13, that is 17. So the common factor is 13. Now, number 24. What is the single equivalent discount rate of the discount series? 5%, 10%, and 25%. So what is the equivalent discount rate? That is 35.9%. In here, you need to know the equivalent discount formula. So as you can see on the screen, that is the equivalent discount formula. So just plug in the given, and then solve it, subtract, and then multiply. You get 0.35875, or when you round it up and make it into percentage, that is 35.9%. Okay, so the answer is letter B. Now, number 25. The product of two whole numbers is 36, and the ratio is 1:4. Which is the small number? Okay, need to remember the ratio. The small number in here is, that is letter A, which is 3. Okay, why 3? Let us solve. Let smaller equals x, and let larger is equals 4x. So 4x times x equals 36. Then you will go to 4x squared equals 36, and then it will be you get the square root, right? X squared equals 9, x equals 3. The answer there is 3. Now, for number 26, it says here, Julius' salary is 8,500 per month. If increased by 12%, what is his new salary per month? Letter A, 9,320 peso. Letter B, 9,420 peso. Letter C, 9,520 peso. And letter D, 9,550 peso. Okay. So what is his new salary per month? So his new salary is 9,520 peso. Let us solve. So it says here 12%, right, in increasing number. So 12% of 8,500, need to multiply it. Just convert it to decimal point, and it will become 1,020. So his new salary will become 8,500 plus 1,020. That is 9,520. Okay. Next, number 27. How much commission does a salesman get if he sells 35,000 worth of jewelry at 15% commission? Okay, so you need to know the commission formula, alright, and the wage or salary formula. So the correct answer here is 5,250. So commission, as we all know, that is the percentage of total sales. So the total sales is 35,000, multiplied it by 0.15 or the 15%, that is 5,250. Next, which is the sum of the infinite progression? 3 halves, 1 and 2/3, or 4/9. Okay, so letter A, 6.5, letter B, 5.5, letter C, 4.5, and letter D, 7.5. So how do you know the sum of infinite progression? Let us know the formula. Okay, so the correct answer here is 4.5. Let us solve. Infinite geometric series sum formula. This is S equals A divided by 1 minus R. Okay, so just plug in the given. Our A is 3.5. The ratio is 2/3 divided by 1, which is equal to 2/3. Alright, so when you plug in those numbers, okay, you will get 4.5, or in a fraction form, that is 4.5. So our answer is letter C. Okay, alright, number 29, the second to the last number of specialization. So which are the next 3 terms in the progression? 1, 4, 16, and so on and so forth. Okay, so it says there on 8 terms. Okay, so that is very important. Letter A, 64,256 and 1,024. Letter B, 67,259 or 1,027. Letter C, 66,258 and 1,026. Or letter D, 65,257 or 1,025. Correct answer is letter A, 64,256 and 1,024. So how did we get this answer? Okay, remember the sequence. Okay, each term in the sequence is multiplied by 4. As you can see on the first 3 numbers, 1 times 4 is 4, 4 times 4 is 16, and so on. So the next terms, as you can see, this is 64, 16 times 4, 64 times 4, 256, 256 times 4 is 1,024. So our answer is letter A. Next. Okay, last number, number 30. Which of the following is a multiple of 8? Okay, so the multiple of 8, just a quick tip, just look at the last 3 digits. Okay, check the last three digits if it is divisible by 8. So the correct answer there is 5,144. Right? So number is divisible by 8 if the last three digits form a number divisible by 8. And the last three digits of 5144 is 144. So is 144 can be divided by 8 or is divisible by 8? Yes. The answer is 18, right? So our answer is 5144. On the other hand, 53 and 250 or the other options cannot be divided into exact amount. So it has decimals, right? So therefore, 5144 or 5144 is a multiple of 8. Okay? So I think that's it for our rationalization of the Prof Ed, Gen Ed, and specialization. I hope that you've learned something and my group mates will continue their presentation as well. Thank you so much once again and have a great night. Bye.